Ano ba yung minimum na pwede mong i-invest halimbawa pag GCash?
100 pesos.
Eh, talaga?
Yes. Do you know that me and my daughter was
Ah,
playing
ah,
that game?
ay,
She
parang,
said, sabi niya, Mommy, do you have 200 or 300? Why? What will I do
hmm.
with my 300? I will invest it in crypto.
Oh,
Talaga.
talaga.
So, I'm giving her 500, 300, 200, and she's adding. And she said the last time she started only investing like 200 na naging 500 na.